Turn it off. Hi guys, so it's been a while since I've done a hair video for you, so that's what we're going to be doing today. I actually was sent some new products to try by dollarcurlclub, and I've never tried their products before. This is their deluxe standard kit, and this kit comes with 4 different items. It has their hydrating gentle cleansing shampoo, their hydrating detangling conditioner, their leave-in conditioner, and also their curl defining cream. They have some other products as well. They have a hair mask, they have a co-wash, they have some hair oils. This is just one of their kits. Like I said, they have a lot of other kits, but this one is very affordable. It's only $37.99. They did give me an exclusive discount code for you guys, so if you want to check this out, I think $37.99 is already a good deal for 4 full-size hair products. We'll see how these perform because this is going to be our first impression review. But if the products do perform well, then definitely check out the link down below in my description and try these out. Oh, and also I wanted to mention, because this is very important to a lot of you guys and for me as well, but all of the products are sulfate-free, paraben-free, silicone-free, mineral oil-free, no phthalates, no paraffins, no propylene, no animal testing. So if you were curious, all of their products are very, very clean. And speaking of clean, we've already both washed our hair with the shampoo and the conditioner, and I did film those clips for you guys, so I'll insert them here. So I first started off with the Hydrating Gentle Cleansing Shampoo. Like I said, it's sulfate free and it's very hydrating, very moisturizing. I actually, when I was using it, I looked back at the label. I'm like, does this say moisturizing shampoo? Because it really feels like it. Feels really, really good in my hair. And as you can see, it gave a really nice lather as well. And it just left my hair feeling super clean. It also smells really good. It has like a light coconutty smell, but it's not that fakey coconut smell. It's like a nice, like, real coconut smell. It smells really, really good. And it does have coconut and aloe in it as well. And overall, I did really like the shampoo. And what did you think about it?
It left my hair feeling silky and soft, and it cleaned my hair really good.
All right, so next I moved on to the hydrating and detangling conditioner, and this has olive and mango in it, and this smells very, very good. It smells a little different than the shampoo. It has like a little bit more of like a fresh tropical fruity smell. I can definitely smell the mango in this one, but this did detangle my hair very well. You can see how I started off, how tangled and a hot mess my hair was, and this got the tangles out very nicely. It does have a nice slip to it as well, and it left my hair feeling very moisturized. And what did you feel about it?
I thought it detangled my hair really well, and it made my hair feel moisturized after.
Okay, so that leaves us to where we are right now. We use the shampoo and the conditioner. So now we are going to go ahead and use the stylers. So they have sent me 2 stylers. So I have the leave-in conditioner, and this has avocado and grapeseed. It says it protects your curls while adding moisture for easier detangling and manageability. And this says to apply liberally to hair after cleansing, massage in thoroughly from roots to end. If needed, gently comb through for even distribution. Use daily or as needed. And then the other styler that we have is the Curl Defining Cream. This has avocado and quinoa, and this defines curls, reduces frizz, elongates curls for a soft, silky feel while adding brilliant shine. So I also want to say that while neither of us have used these products yet, I did try the leave-in conditioner and the Curl Defining Cream on my 2-year-old daughter, Ava, and I do have those clips for you guys. So I started off with the leave-in, and I just put this all throughout her hair. I didn't section it or anything. And then I went in with the Curl Defining Cream. Now this I did section her hair off with, and I combed it through with the Tangle Teaser just to make sure it's evenly distributed and also to define her curls. And I did find that these products together, I think more so this, the Curl Defining Cream, really gave her hair a nice curl definition. And the top thing that I noticed right away, well, there's 2 things. First is the shine. Her hair was super, super shiny with this, so I definitely agree with that claim. And also, it made her hair feel very soft and hydrated. Hydration. It gave a lot of hydration. Now, her hair is still drying, so we will show all 3 of our dry results at the end, so you just have to hold tight for that. But so far, so good. In her hair, I did notice that the products seem to be doing what they claim to do, so yeah, we'll see how that end result looks. I guess now we can go ahead and get into styling our hair. So we're gonna style it a little bit differently than I did with Ava. So I'm gonna just section my hair off. I'll spray it, make sure that it's wet or damp, and then I'll go in with the leave-in conditioner and then with the curl defining cream on top, and then just go to the next section. And that's usually how I use all my styling products. When I have like a cream and a gel, or a leave-in and a cream, whatever it is, if there's 2 products for layering, I'll go in with one and directly after the second product. And so yeah, I just want to use this the same way just to see how this wash and go compares to the others. Her hair is already down. I'll go ahead and take mine out, and I'm just gonna spray my hair just to make sure. I always apply my products on pretty much wet hair, and that gives me the best curl definition. And then I'll probably respray as I do each section as well, just to double make sure.
Did you tell them about the style I'm doing?
You can tell them. Go ahead, Leah. Tell them. She wanted me to tell you that she's doing a certain style. What style are you doing?
I'm gonna do a swoop. I'm going to part these 2 sections, and then it's going to be a side part.
You gonna braid it?
No, it's going to be slicked down.
Okay, so she's like gonna slick down this front part and make like a little swoop. So I guess she'll show you guys that. I'm just gonna do a regular wash and go. I'm not gonna do any distinct parts or anything like that. So I'm first gonna go in with the leave-in. It went everywhere. So I'm first gonna go in with the leave-in. That's a lot. I don't want to use quite that much, so I'm going to put some of it back. And I'll use that for both sides. So she's doing her own thing over there. She's doing still doing her parting for her other part. But I'm going to go ahead and move on to my second styler, the Curl Defining Cream. And I didn't mention the smell of these products. So the leave-in cream, it smells almost exactly like the regular conditioner. Has a very fruity, tropical fruity scent to it. Smells really, really good. And then the Curl Defining Cream, this is more of that lighter coconutty smell. It's a very, very light scent. It's not overpowering at all. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the cream. And then I'm just gonna take my Tangle Teezer brush and then just brush through. And I find to get the best definition, you really should be not only sectioning your hair, but you don't want to use too big of sections. I try to do pretty small sections like this. And you see how this is just damp but a little bit dry? I don't like it like that. I definitely like to add more water to it. So that's what I'm going to do. It doesn't really give much direction on the products as far as like, yeah, on the actual packaging, it says apply liberally to dry or damp hair. Separate hair into sections. So I'm doing that. Distribute to each section from roots to ends to define shape and style. So this says you can actually use it on dry or damp hair, but I never use hairstyling products on dry hair, especially with curly hair. I don't really know why you would, but you can. And then apply liberally. So they want you to use a decent amount of this curling cream. So I'm making sure to put a good amount. Oh, and I didn't really mention much about our hair type. So my hair type is like a 3B, some 3C, but mainly 3B. Densities like high, medium to high density, low porosity. What was the other one? Is like how thick your strands are. I don't know why it's coarse. Oh yeah, my hair is coarse. Like the strands themselves are thick. Like if you isolate an individual piece of hair, it's not fine, it's coarse. So that is my hair type. Aaliyah's hair type, her hair is a little curlier than mine. It's like a 3C. And her hair is high density and her strands are very fine. She has fine strands. So if you isolate a piece of her hair, like a strand, it's very, very fine. So yeah, so that's, oh, and her porosity, I'm not sure. Do you know your porosity?
I don't know what that is. Oh, how it soaks up water?
Yeah. Do you know? I think her hair is a low porosity. Oh, so also about the like the texture of the products. So this is the leave-in is very lightweight. It's not too watery or anything, but it's pretty lightweight. And then of course the curling cream is a thicker consistency, but it's not super thick. And it also has a really nice texture and feel to it. It feels almost like, has almost like a jelly texture. You know what I mean? Like when you feel it. I don't know how to explain it, but it feels really nice. I love the way that it like glides through the hair. It has a lot of slip for sure. So I really like the feel of it. And as far as curl definition, you can see it does define the curls very nicely. Sometimes with creams, I don't get that great of curl definition. That's why I really like gels, or I'll usually pair a cream or a leave-in with a gel. But this is definitely giving me the same curl definition that I would get from a gel. So I'm loving that so far. So I think for the rest of our styling, we're just going to go ahead and continue on camera, but just fast forward, and we'll check back in with you guys once we have fully applied the products to our hair. Okay guys, so our hair is completely styled, and I just realized as I was styling my hair, I forgot to do an introduction of who this even is if you've never been on my channel. But this is my daughter. Smile. This is my daughter, Aaliyah. She's 14. She's one of 4 of my daughters. So yeah, I'll probably put something on the screen in the beginning because I forgot to introduce her. So sorry. But yeah, so our hair is completely styled. We both used the leave-in and the curl cream. We didn't even actually make that big of a dent. Keep in mind, my other daughter used this as well, my 2-year-old. 3 of us have used this, and we still have a good amount of product left in the jar. So a little bit does go a long way, especially with this stuff. Yeah, the only thing we did is do our edges with a different product, and that is this edge wax. And we got this from Dollar Tree, and I would say go check out your local Dollar Tree because this edge control works very good, especially for only being $1. I think it comes in like 3 different scents. This is the coconut one. Oh, let me give you a little spin around of how it looks wet, just so you have a comparison. So this is my wet styled result. And Aaliyah, do you wanna? No. So I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse my hair with my diffuser. I do have another one. I also have a hooded dryer. I think Aaliyah is gonna get, I'm not sure what she's gonna do, but I told her she should get under the hooded dryer. And if she doesn't want to do that, I have another diffuser. So we're going to go ahead and dry our hair, and then we'll return to you guys back with our final thoughts and our finished results. You want it lower, or is that good?
That's good.
Because you're not going to sit up straight. I'm pretty sure you're going to slouch.
I'm slouching already.
Oh, do you? I feel like we can take it a little lower. Or is it good?
It's good.
High heat? It's going to be hot.
High heat.
You good? Alright guys, so these are our finished results. Now I diffuse my hair. I would say it's about 90% dry. It could get a little bit more drier, and as it does, it'll probably gain just a little bit more volume as well. But I'm loving it. I'm usually not a cream girl because I feel like it doesn't give me, I like to have a little bit of a cast, a little bit of a hold. I like my wash and go to last me a few days. I like the shine that gels give and the hold and etc. But this cream gave me gel-like results, and you can see it gives your hair so much shine, and it does have still a little bit of a cast on it. I don't want to take my cast all the way out, so I would normally get some oil and like run my fingers through it to get the cast out, but I don't want to do that because I want my wash and go to last. So when I want my wash and go to last a little bit longer, I'll leave the cast in usually, or not take it all the way out. So it has a little bit of a cast. So I would say this cream is like a medium hold, and I really love it. I love. I'm pleasantly surprised. Like I said, I'm not normally just a cream girl. I like to use a gel, but I'm pleasantly surprised. And Aaliyah, what's your thoughts? You can tell the people.
I think it's good. It held my hair good. It made my hair really defined.
Yep.
And I like it.
Yeah, it definitely gave all three of our hair really, really nice definition.
My hair is nice too.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Yeah.
It gave a lot of shine. You can see here on Ava's hair. Her hair is very, very soft, very bouncy, very shiny. Woo, show them your hair. Very defined. And she loves it, right? And Aaliyah loves it, and we all three love the results. So definitely check out Dollar Curl Club. I would say Dollar Curl Club.
I want to see my baby's hair. I want to show you my baby.
Okay, she wants to show you guys her baby, but I would definitely say Dollar Curl Club is worth your dollars.
Look at my baby hair.
Look at your baby's hair? Okay, come back up here so that people can see you.
Okay. Oh.
She wanted you to see her baby and her baby's hair. So I think the baby could use some Dollar Curl Club products because it's giving rat's nest. Matted, yep. So I would say Dollar Curl Club is definitely worth your $. So definitely check them out. Like I said, I do have an exclusive link which will give you a discount. So click that down below in the description. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, hit that subscribe button down below. And what do you want to say? What do you want to say? Oh. What do you want to say? No, say something else.
I can't say anything.
Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
So until next time, we will see you guys in our next video. Bye.
Oh my God, it's fun.
It's glare on the
It's
glasses.
fine.
Can you just take the glasses off?
It doesn't matter. They know it's lights, okay?
It has their...
The gum fell.
Aaliyah, you're going to make it be long, please. And this kit... Aaliyah, stop. They're defining curl definer cream. Dollar Curl shampoo.
Why'd you look at me?
Because I'm saying if you're laughing so I could restart.
I wasn't laughing.
And what did you think about the shampoo?
Okay. Do you want to restart?
And what did you think about it?
I thought it was really...
See, your head has to be more in it.
Exactly. You don't put it on my head. Shh. Turn it off. What is wrong with you?
It wasn't me. It was your tires. Get out your nose. We can't put that. We have to do it again, okay?
Okay. You gotta look there.
Huh? Hello? Hello, are you there? Hello, are you there?
Give them a dance.
Sit that body, sit that body.
No!